so safe. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Butler County, northwestern Warren County, southwestern Montgomery County, until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Middletown, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Middletown, Miamisburg, Lebanon, Springboro, Monroe, Trenton, Franklin, Carlisle, South Middletown, Hunter, Germantown, South Lebanon, Centerville, State Route 63 at State Route 741, Pekin, State Route 48 at State Route 73, Poasttown Heights, 5 Points, and Gentown. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 29 and 30. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 29 and 43. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, WXJ-46, Miamisburg, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.